Hey guys, a question for you. When was the last time you stopped and said, I'm grateful? Not for a big win or an expensive gift, but for the simple, everyday life. The truth is, most of us are missing out on the peace and joy that we already have. And in this video, I'm sharing why gratitude can completely change the way you see the world. And I know, we've all heard it 1,000 times. Be grateful for what you have. The glass is half full. Yes, it sounds so old. This advice doesn't help. We're all searching for that hack, that solution that gives us instant life improvement. So how can something like gratitude really help? Well guys, I was thinking the same thing. I was going through a period where nothing felt right. Like most people, I was looking for something that would solve everything and boost my mood. After a lot of searching, I realized that there is no quick fix. Instead, it's a bunch of small, consistent actions that add up to a huge difference. Gratitude is absolutely one of them. Let me explain. When we want something, whether it's a career milestone or the next big purchase, that goal occupies a lot of headspace. So we work, we torment ourselves, and joy only comes when the goal is achieved. Then we move on to the next thing, the next goal. Life seems to be a never-ending to-do list. And time flies, man. Yesterday we were children, and now there's a pile of documents on our desks. We forget to look around, to maintain relationships, because we're always chasing something, an end result. But the point of living a fulfilling life is to enjoy the journey, what is happening right now, not to always focus on the future, on what we don't have. If we look closely, we already have so much right now. By being grateful, we cherish that right now. Let's talk about our most precious and overlooked gifts. Health and family. If both your parents are still here, you have a privilege that millions of people desperately miss. That quick call you take for granted, that discussion you had at dinner, that's a connection. Don't let those moments become just memories. Value them. And if one parent is gone, cherish the one who's still here. For the one that left, be grateful for every single thing they taught you. They still shape you every single day. Feel gratitude for your parents while you're with them and after you leave the house. Don't let chasing life goals make you look away. As the actor J.K. Simmons said when he won the Oscar, call your mom, call your dad. If you're lucky enough to have a parent or two alive on this planet, call them. Don't text, don't email. Call them on the phone. Tell them you love them and thank them and listen to them for as long as they want to talk to you. Another precious thing we take for granted is our health. If you woke up this morning and your body worked, your legs carried you, your eyes could see, you just won the morning lottery. Why should we realize the importance of our health only when we get sick? Be grateful if you're healthy. You can do it randomly at any time of the day, not just in the morning. But gratitude isn't just about the massive things. It's about the small moments of peace and joy that happen every day. Let me give you a few examples we can all relate to. The morning coffee. It's a moment of ritual, peace, a luxury millions around the world don't have access to. The sunrise and sunset, a free daily masterpiece painted just for us. Clean tap water, another privilege. These are not small things. These are the bricks and foundation of a good life. We just have to see them. And here's where I wanted to take you with this video, to deliver this good news. We can train ourselves to be more grateful. We can learn to truly see the flower, to really enjoy the coffee's aroma, to feel the fur when we pet a cat. We just have to stop and pay attention. That's all. Be mindful for a few seconds and every day becomes a bit brighter. You know that saying, life moves pretty fast. If you don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it. We stop missing it when we find many reasons to be grateful for. But gratitude isn't just a tool we use to cheer ourselves up. It helps us get back on our feet. When a minor crisis hits, you spill that coffee, or the traffic makes you late to work, it doesn't ruin your entire day because you can use your appreciation bank. The fact that you have coffee, the fact that you have a job to be late for. The examples are endless. You can find a lot of them. The Wi-Fi is not working, no problem. It will get fixed. Just use your appreciation bank. You have a tool that connects you to the entire world. Gratitude isn't about ignoring the bad, it's about giving the good its proper weight. Even on your worst days, there are still more things to appreciate than there is to complain about. I know, we all want it, but there's no magic solution that will boost our happiness instantly. But for becoming more resilient, or for smiling more often, practicing gratitude for sure is one of them. We only need to stop, take our eyes off what's bothering us or what we're chasing, and just be present. So I leave you with this. Find gratitude in everything. There are so many reasons to be thankful for if we just open our eyes. Your life right now is a gift, and it's composed of many other important gifts you haven't even opened yet, but they're right there in front of you. Give yourselves gifts more often through gratitude. It will lead to better days. Thanks for watching. I'm RJ. I'll be making more videos like this one for better days ahead. Like, maybe subscribe, but above all, stay grateful.